To fix the problem where your Google Pixel won't turn on, there's one thing we can do. So as you can see right here, my phone is turned off, it doesn't work. And to power it on, in case it don't want to do that, in case it won't power on normally, you can connect the charger to the charging port right here on the bottom, like this. Then make sure that the charger is also connected to the power source. You can give it a few minutes, like 5 minutes, and then your device should power on normally by clicking on the power button and holding it for a few seconds until we see Google Pixel logo.